Click on the keyboard button on your screen, go to functions, and go to number theory and round right there. And it will do what it sounds like it will do. So if you have a number like this and you want to round it just to the whole number. So in geometry, this comes up a good bit. If you get an answer like this, when you're finding in trig, you're finding the angle measure, but you have to write the angle measure in whole numbers. Sometimes that's confusing. Here you go. You can always double check yourself here and see that if you get this, then that's about 27 degrees. If you tell it to round, let me do that again. But let's say that this is a side length in trig and you need it to go to the 10th place. Then after whatever you got in your calculator for the answer, put a comma and put 1, and it will give this number to you rounded to the 10th place. It'll go 1 decimal place. Think of it that way, because so you can remember how to get that to give it to you. And again, this is not so that you can get something to round for you, because you're really not gonna probably have an entire question at the high school level that's just rounding. But you may be using this answer to get to another answer or something like that. And so this is just a great way just to double check if you're nervous during the test and you're like, I don't trust myself. Did I do this right? You can check it really quickly. All right. Hope that helps. See you next time.